So here's the full farm. We've got the two silos spawning guardians in both. There's water streams at the top that are pushing them down. Let me see if I can get a good angle. They don't spawn if you're within, I think, 24 blocks of the water block. And they can spawn in moving water as well, so they don't all have to be full water blocks, so I don't have to grow kelp in them or anything. It's just one solid water block at the top, all streaming down. You can see the fence gates at the bottom that's preventing the water from flowing all the way to the bottom. And then there's more water streams that are pushing the guardians inward into that hole. The hole is covered in signs, which prevents the water from falling into it. Um, and then you can see the lava at the bottom that's capturing and killing the guardians. So let's see. Yeah, you can see how they kind of stop spawning when I was standing too close. So this one's still pretty active. All falling into it and being pushed in. Let's go take a look. So from the bottom view inside the temple, I cleared out all this space so you can kind of see both at the same time. Got them all falling in. It's pretty quick. The drop rate is really fast. So I built this room below. I had to drain all of this because this is actually the floor of the temple, or the sea floor, right below the temple. And you can see both chambers where they're kind of falling in constantly, dying. And then there's a hopper chain that just takes all of the drops into this auto sorter. So it's just kind of flowing through a bunch of hoppers in the back end here, and then each one is sorting the prismarine automatically. So these first like half are all for the prismarine shards, and the second half, I forget where it starts. It starts here maybe. There it is. So it starts on this box. I have to put signs up, but this is all the prismarine crystals, and then the last two are just fish, which I'll probably just create some kind of dropper that drops them into lava to destroy them because these cod are terrible as a food source. And then anything random. Sometimes we get squids spawning in, so I collect the ink sacs. I don't know where this bone meal came from. And then sometimes schools of salmon will also spawn, so it catches all the random stuff. So, yep, that's the farm.